Hello everyone, it's Danish and I am currently working as an AWS consultant for TCS. I started my career as a network engineer with Vodafone Idea, and in 2018 I switched my domain to cloud. Again, definitely played a vital role in my career transformation to AWS. So it's all started with career counseling followed by a demo session that help us understand the course perspective, right, and what are the career option I am having. The classes were more focused on practical applications, or rather I would like to say do it yourself concept, rather than just following a PowerPoint presentations. This approach helped me to build a self-confidence and make me the industry ready. I am really thankful to the EGAIN team for my career transformation and providing the guidance as and when needed. Thanks EGAIN team. Thanks.